In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to estimate shipping cost on Pandabuy. So, first thing first, go to the Pandabuy website and you can find the link in the description. Find the product you want to ship. Add it to your cart, which I'm sure you all know how to do this. Once you're in your cart, select the items you want to ship out for an estimate. Let's say I want to ship out these shoes, these fours, and this pair of pants. Then click on Estimator down here. Next, click on All Products, and if you're planning on shipping the items without a box, you can click on Net Weight to exclude the boxes. Now, when you click Inquire, it will show you the estimated shipping prices for all the products in your cart. And there you have it. These estimates won't be 100% accurate, but they'll give you a pretty close idea of what you'll be paying for shipping. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if it was. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.